What is going on, boys? We're back on the S1K. Your boy Calamari is back on the S1K for today. I just want to do a little motovlog action. Touching back on what I was saying on the last video is I'm moving states, so I figured out I'm gonna be moving at the end of this month, so the 31st of January I'm gonna be out of here. I am gonna take this bike, I'm gonna take the Grom, I'm gonna do some content over there, but I don't know any place over there. I don't know who rides over there. All I know is I'm kind of close to Tulsa, so I might come back to Oklahoma and do the Tulsa rides, but who knows. But we're just gonna go out, do a little cruise. We're gonna be riding with the boys later on today. Hopefully the boys come out, but I'm out here solo because they're at work. Bro, I need this setup. This thing is crazy. You got all of the toys. A really nice day today. It's gonna get a little colder once I start riding with the boys. But as of right now, it's like a cool 60 degrees, I want to say. I really look. But another big life update. This is serious, boys. I'm expecting to have a baby. There's gonna be a mini calamari soon. Well, yeah. It's pretty early. She's about 7 weeks along. God damn it. Kill me. Brainstorming ideas. We're gonna get that boy a PW 50. Or girl. It don't matter. I'm hoping for a boy, but if it's a girl, it's still gonna do the same things. It's just gonna be a girl. Good day to be on two wheels. Oh yeah, brother. KTM, brother. Look at those cows. I'm just kidding. We'd be nice to cows. I wonder if they get mad at me. The cows would get angry. Angry cows. I also wonder if these guys get mad at me for riding here so much. They bought a house all the way out here, quarter mile away from the next house. They just got me screaming down here all the time. Yeah, but that's a really exciting part of my life right now. I'm not gonna stop riding. I know some people are gonna say that's selfish and you gotta think about their family or whatever, which I do. And I ride safer now. But come on, man, this is a big part of my life too. So, to me to say I would quit riding would not sit well with me. I want to do a jet ski vlog one day. Cause my buddy got some jet skis. I don't know how this camera would fare in the water. Cause I do be flying off sometimes. And I don't know where to mount it for a vlog type video. I can't get it on this. The boys are out. What? Crazy. We don't even know where we're going. We're just riding low key. Hey, make sure your settings are correct, alright?
Oh, there.
Alright, good. We got Casper CBR. I don't know his tag, but I'll put it right here. Moto Kyle. He don't really ride. The duck is back. That was doo-doo. I know why, it's my front wheel. It's really unstable at speed. Tires keep spinning. Oh man, it's kind of cold. I forgot I'm recording sometimes. But I forget I record. And I just kind of lock into riding. I was trying to do wheelies in second. And on the highway, and I kept on spinning. Bro, I was trying. I kept on spinning.
Dude, I'm lost. I didn't ride for 3 weeks, and now look at me.
You're sketching me out, fucking chopping like that. I was like, ah.
Dude, I can hold it before. I don't know what the fuck happened.
Every time I tried, it would like spin for like half a second, and then it'd come up. Only a little bit. I need a new tire, that's for sure. Alright, looks like we're back out, boys. We're gonna get some food. I don't even know where we're going. God damn. I'm fucking catching air. God damn, boys. That was a good run-in.